here we will do some examples on checking that two given triangles are similar or not, and if they are similar, then their reason why they are similar. So let us see. List the corresponding sides and angles and hence show that following pairs of triangles are similar. So let us start with this first example. Here ABC and XYZ, two triangles are given and their two angles are given. So that means to check these two triangles whether they are similar or not, we will be using this A, that is three angle property. If three angles are equal, then they are similar. If not, they are not. So here 75 degree angle A and angle X are given. So that means angle A and angle X, angle A and angle X are equal. So they are corresponding angle. Now angle C is given 45 degree, angle Y is given 60 degree. But this angle is not given, Z and B. So we can calculate them. Z will be, angle B will be 180 degree minus these two angles, because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree and this two angle is 75 and 45. So the rest will be angle B. If we calculate it, this is 120 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So angle B is 60 degree. Angle Z, if we calculate it, angle Z will be 180 degree minus this 60 degree minus this 75 degree. If we calculate it, we will get 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. So after calculating this angle, you can see that angle A is angle corresponding to angle X, angle Y is 60 degree, angle B is 60 degree. That is, angle B is equal to angle Y, and angle C is 45 degree, angle Z is 45 degree. So angle C is corresponding to angle Z. So here three angles, these are the corresponding angles, three angles, and under this AAA condition, that is three angles are equal, under this condition these two triangles are similar. Let us do the second example. Here length of three arms are given. So here we need to try on this PPP condition, that means proportion between three arms has to be same. So how we will do that? We will start with the smallest length in this triangle and smallest length in this triangle. So if we do that, that means PQ by XY. If we do PQ division XY, that is smallest arm in this triangle division smallest arm in this triangle, then we are getting 7.5 division 3, which is 2.5. Similarly, the second largest arm in this, we are taking this triangle's arm on the top, so we will always keep that. So second largest is 10 and here it is 4. So if we find, sorry, this one was PR, the smallest one was PR and XY. So the second largest one is PQ. So PQ division this YZ will be, PQ is 10 and YZ is 4. If we divide, we will get 2.5. Then the third largest arms are QR and ZX. QR and ZX. QR is 11.25 division, ZX is 4.5. If we divide it using calculator, we will get 2.5. So here we can see that three corresponding arms, that is this arm XY and its corresponding arm here is PQ. So XY, they are not equal, they are corresponding arm and their ratio equal. That means not PQ, PR. PR division XY equals PQ division YZ equals QR division ZX. That is, here this arm division XY, this one division this one, and this one division this one, they are constant, they are same. That means these proportions are same. So these two triangles are similar, and here the corresponding arms are XY and PRs are corresponding arm, YZ and PQ are corresponding arm, and ZX and QR are corresponding arms. Let us do two more examples on similar triangles here. List the corresponding sides and angles and hence show that the following pairs of triangles are similar. So let us do this example. Here we are given length of two arm, and they are included angle. So probably it will be a PAP, that is two arms proportion, and their included angles are equal. So let us see. So included angles equal is given. So now we need to see that if these two arms proportion are equal. So this is the smallest arm 3, its corresponding smallest arm is this 4.5. So if we take the ratio of XY and AB, then it will be 4.5 division 3, which is 1.5, and the 7, that is the next value, arm length is YZ 7.5 and BC 7. So if we take their proportion, then it will be YZ division BC, which is 7.5 division 5, that means 1.5. That means these two adjacent arm, their proportions are equal and their included angles are also equal. So these two triangles are similar. Then when if it's similar, then this AB and XY, we already saw AB and XY are corresponding arm, BC and YZ are the corresponding arm sides, and AC and XZ, the rest AC and ZX, they are the corresponding sides. About angle, this one and this one, that is angle B and angle Y are corresponding. This arm, BC's corresponding arm is YZ. So BC's opposite angle A will be the corresponding angle for X, because BC, this one and this one, they are not equal. This sign does not mean equal, they are corresponding. So their opposite angle will also be corresponding angle. So A and X will be corresponding angle, and AB, its corresponding arm is, side is XY. So AB is opposite angle C and XY is opposite angle Z. So Z and C will be corresponding angle. So here A and X corresponding angle, B and Y corresponding angle, C and Z corresponding angle. AB and XY corresponding arm, BC and YZ corresponding arm, and AC and ZX corresponding arms. Let us do the second example. Here we are given 4 and 5, two arms, but there is no included angle, and here we are given 6 and 7.5, and their included angle is there, and this triangle is told that it is 90 degree. So now we can actually calculate, this is 90 degree, this is 50 degree, so we can easily calculate that this one is 40 degree, because 40 degree plus 50 degree 90 degree, and 90 degree 180 degree. Similarly here it is 90 degree, this one is 40 degree, so this angle will be 50 degree, because 50 degree plus 40 degree 90, 90 plus 90 180. So now we can see that this one is 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree. So here angle A equals angle Q, angle B equals angle R, and angle C equals angle P. So three angles are equal. So these two triangles are similar, and their corresponding angles are A corresponds to Q, B corresponds to R, and C corresponds to P. Then the arms, corresponding angles, the equal angles, opposite arms, that is ABC. 90 degrees opposite is BC, 90 degrees opposite is PR. So BC and PR, they are corresponding. 40 degree angles opposite arm is AC, 40 degree angles opposite arms is PQ. So AC and PQ are corresponding arms, and 50-degree angles opposite arm is AB, 50-degree angles opposite arm is QR. So AB and QR, they are corresponding arms.